Before you start assembling the scaffold, ensure all the items for your tower are present. Always ensure frames must be double width. Ensure the frames and locking hooks are tightened. Fit buttress diagonal braces to the bottom rung of a frame. Fit the ballast platform and secure it in place. Increase the height of the scaffold if required. Fix the working platform along with guardrails and toe board. At the end, fix the outrigger connected to the frame to withstand the tower height. Aluminium scaffold allows you to work at heights over obstacles, access areas above pipework, cable, roofs, canopies, etc.
Do not work from built-in ladders, they are means of access only. Do not assemble scaffolding towers on loose bricks, boxes or blocks. Ensure the whole structure is level and all casters are locked.